Hello and good morning, students. In the last session, we had discussed about the introduction part under the topic natural numbers and whole numbers, under which we had discussed about how to write the numerals in Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration. Today, we shall discuss about the new topic, that is Roman numerals. Children, you can see the clock here and observe that instead of writing 1 to 12 numbers, here the symbols are used, that is I, V and X. Such type of symbols are said to be Roman numerals. These Roman numerals can be written as 1 is written as I, 5 is written as V, 10 X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 M. Children, you need to learn this table by heart and learn and keep it in mind forever. To write the Roman numerals, we need to follow some rules, and let us discuss about the rules one by one. Rule number 1 says that if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, here I is written 2 times. It is repeated. So, the value of I is 1 and 1 is added 2 times. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In the same way, X is written 3 times. So, value of X is 10 and 10 is added 3 times, which is equal to 30. Rule number 2. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. For example, I can't be written 4 times, as well as the same way X cannot be written more than 3 times. So, this is meaningless. And V, L, D have the exception. These 3 letters can be written only 1 time. Rule number 3. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. For example, here V and I. Value of V is 5, I is 1. You can observe V is the greater value and the smaller value is written to the right side of the greater value. Therefore, here we have to add. V is 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If you take this example, here L is 50, X 10, V 5. You can observe that the smaller value is written to the right side of the greater value. So, we have to add all these numbers, 50 plus 10 plus 5, which is equal to 65. Rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the symbol of the greater value. This rule 4 is reverse of rule 3. Here you can see the greater value is 5 and the smaller value is 1, and the smaller value is written to the left side of the greater value. So, here we have to subtract 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. L is 50, X is 10. The greater value, here L is the greater value, and you can observe that the smaller value is written to the left of the greater value. Therefore, we need to subtract 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Rule number 5. The symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of the symbol of greater value. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. For example, you cannot write the smaller value, that is V, to the left of the greater value. In the same way, L, you know that C is 100, L is 50, but this can't be written. And here C is 100, D is 500. So V, L and D cannot be written to the left of the greater value. Now let us solve the problems of worksheet 1. Question number 1. Write the Roman numeral for each. A, 33. So here, as you know how to expand the value 33. 33 is in the standard form. You need to expand it by using the place value. So 30 plus 3. 33 can be written as 30 plus 3, and this 30 should be written in terms of tens. As we know, 10 is x, so 30 should be written 3 times, that is x should be written 3 times, and 3 ones are there, so the value of 1 in Roman numeral is I. Next is B. Directly the value of B, 500, is D. 48. Here also 48 has to be expanded. 48 can be written as 40 plus 8, and 40. As you know, you cannot write 40, you can't use any symbol more than 3 times. So here what we do is, we write 40 as XL, that is 50, and X is written to the left of 50. So we need to subtract. 50 minus 10 is 40, and then 8. You know how to write 8. 8 can be written as 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 76. 76 can be split it as 70 plus 6, and 70, to write 70, again 70 can be split into 50 plus 10 plus 10 and 6. As you know, 50 is L, 10 is X, again one more 10 is X, 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Then you have 95. 95 again can be written in the expanded form, 90 plus 5. 90. To write 90, you need to write as XC, because X is the smaller value and it is written to the left of the greater value. 100, C is 100. 100 minus 10 is 90, and 5 is V. Next we have 41. Again 41, expanded form, 40 plus 1. 40, as we know, we write it as XL, and 1, I. 1 is I. The last one, 79. 79, again you need to split it as 70 plus 9. 70 again can be splitted as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So 50 can be written as L, X, X, and 9, as you know how to write, I, X. So I have solved first main A to F from the worksheet 1, and some of the problems are left here, that is in question number 1, G, H, I, J, you have to do it yourself. Next is question number 2. Convert the following into Hindu Arabic numerals. First one you can see here, it is XXVI. Again you need to write it in Hindu Arabic numerals. X is 10, again one more X is 10, V is 5, then I is 1. Then you need to add 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, which is 26. Next you have L is 50 plus 10 plus 10, 5 plus 1 plus 1. 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 5, 75, 77. Then you have XC1. Here you need to divide the symbols. As you know, C is the greater value and X is smaller value, which is written to the left side of the greater value. So here you need to subtract. C is 100, C is 100, and then X is 10. So 100 minus 10 plus 1. 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 1, which is equal to 91. Then you have LXXXV. All the smaller values are written to the right side of the greater value, so you need to add all. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 50, 10 added 3 times, 80 plus 5, 85. D, the value of D is 500. Then you have, again you need to use the rule number 4 here. Rule number 4, as you know, it says that the smaller value, when it is written to the left side of the greater value, you need